Ruger PC Carbine. The Ruger PC Carbine 9mm Luger Dead Blow-Action Rifle is a dead blow-action rifle with a custom tungsten weight and a steel barrel with precise rifling and accessory threading. The polymer stock features a 6-position telescoping buttstock, an ergonomic pistol grip, an aluminum handguard, and slots and rails for AR grips and accessories. Accurate sighting system with adjustable ghost ring, rear aperture sight, and non-glare. Protected blade front sight. Light, crisp trigger pull with minimal over travel and positive reset utilizing proven 1022 trigger components.